Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. If you did celebrate the long holiday weekend, I hope everyone had a fabulous time spending time with your friends, family. I hope you ate all the good things and just enjoyed yourself to the fullest. In today's video, we have quite a few jobs to share. I have like administrative type jobs, data jobs. I threw in a few customer service jobs for those of you who are social little beings. One is even high paying, $50,000 to $60,000 a year. We have Hershey hiring someone to verify that social media comments get responded to, and we have Sephora hiring. So we are going to dive right on in. As always, if you need links to get to the jobs, Glassdoor pages, or timestamps for the video, that can all be found in the YouTube description box below the video. First up, we have the company Vituity hiring. Vituity has 576 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an office assistant. Now, this is remote nationwide for the United States. And as an office assistant, they're really looking for somebody just to do all of those administrative tasks. You're going to verify and ensure documents are correct and accurate. So you're checking like refund checks, comparing account notes, documentations, letters, addresses, double checking just basically all the different information, verifying there's no errors in the information. You're identifying any documents, files, or accounts that do have errors, and you're going to see those printing issues, overseeing those printing issues during processing, making sure that those errors get corrected. You're going to put notes in all of these patients' accounts, making sure that fax or mailing confirmation sheets are attached, and just completing the data entry and documentation in patients' accounts for billing and in all of the billing systems as needed. Of course, no college degree is needed for this, just a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of some kind of a work experience. Somebody who can type at least 40 words per minute because you are going to be entering a lot of data. They want somebody who kind of has experience with computers and experience with like office settings. Now, it's not required that you have any experience with billing or insurance claims, but it is preferred. You do have to have great attention to detail, though, great communication skills, specifically where it comes to that written communication, like great spelling, grammar, punctuation. Be somebody who is organized, and of course, somebody who can multitask navigating around different computer software systems. Now, pay for this position is a little bit hidden in the paragraphs under the whole job description, but it is $15 an hour. Now, we have News to You, or otherwise known as N2Y hiring. This company only has 37 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 37 reviews, though, they have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a data quality specialist. As a data quality specialist, you're going to do a lot of data verification, like checking accuracy and consistency, and data validation, running reporting. So you're going to review exception reports, trying to identify data quality issues across different accounts, quotes, contracts, and licensing. You're investigating and resolving all of the data errors or data discrepancies, collaborating and working with all of your different teams and different departments to correct any records and maintain that integrity of the data, providing any feedback where you see fit, making sure that the quality checks go great, and if you see things that could be done better, especially where quality checks are concerned, and accuracy and reliability of the data, you're going to provide that feedback up to your leadership. And of course, you're going to maintain clear documentation of all of the data quality processes and exceptions and resolutions that you follow when you're checking all of this data. Now, again, this job does not require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who has 2 years of some kind of experience in data quality, data management, or some kind of a related field. Somebody who's familiar with those CRM systems like Salesforce, somebody who has experience working with different data accounts. You've got great analytical skills, great problem solving skills, of course, great attention to detail. Now, sadly, this one did not list pay. I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. Pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, if you don't mind talking to people, being on the phone, helping people, we have a few customer service jobs. This first one pays relatively well at anywhere between $50,000 and $60,000 a year. It is Torch Dental. They have 120 reviews with an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. And of course, they are looking for a full-time remote customer support specialist. Now, please note this customer support is going to be through all of their channels, including phone, live chat, email, SMS, trying to educate and guide users for the most effective Torch Dental experience. They are looking for somebody, even though they're hiring throughout the United States, to specifically work 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Time. That is converted into 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. If you're outside of those two time zones, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. And so what Torch does is they offer like different software and platforms. They really help dental practices be more efficient in the way that they operate since they're so busy, so that they can just operate in a better capacity. So what you will be doing is just serving as that point of contact for those businesses or dental practices, helping them on the phone or through chat with the products and services, the platform, just any questions that they have. So you're maintaining basically expert knowledge of how the platform works, different features so that you can help them. So this is going to require a little bit of tech knowledge. You're going to be doing a little bit of tech support, but they only require 0 to 2 years of some kind of customer service experience. Great communication skills, great attention to detail, somebody who can have a positive attitude, be a team player. Now, they do prefer somebody who has experience working with different online tools, ticketing systems like Zendesk or things like that. No college degree is needed. And again, pay is really well, anywhere from $50,000 a year up to $60,000 a year. Now, I've mentioned it in several videos before. After we get through this holiday season, it is going to be tax time here in the United States. So all of the different tax places are going to be hiring seasonal workers, and Taxslayer is hiring, and you don't have to have prior tax experience. They have 127 reviews with an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. Of course, they are looking for a seasonal work from home customer support help desk specialist. So this is going to be customer support through phone, email, and chat, just addressing all of the customer needs. Pay is $16.75 an hour. They are looking for somebody to start in early January of 2025. And again, this is a remote work from home position, but you're basically going to be providing accurate and relevant information to customers regarding product features, pricing, and availability of the tax software or things like that. You're also going to be providing them features of the tax software. So you're also going to have to troubleshoot any issues that they have with using these features. So it is going to require a little bit of tech support again. So you're just going to learn and develop full knowledge of how to work the products, the services, the software, so that you can just completely help the customer with whatever they need. Now, again, while they prefer a college degree, not required, just a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has customer service experience, great communication skills, can be a problem solver, work in a fast-paced environment, great attention to detail, and of course, somebody who can multitask and navigate around those different software systems. But again, no tax experience is actually required. If taxes is not your thing, that's okay. We have QVC, the shopping network that we all know that's been on TV and all forever. They are hiring. They have 2,100 reviews from past and current employees with that overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. And of course, they are hiring a customer service specialist. Now, they are accepting applications for the whole next month through January 1st. So they are really looking like they are ramping up hiring for the next year of 2025. Please note, though, they are hiring in select states. It looks like Idaho, Virginia, Florida, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Texas. But again, they're just looking for somebody to provide that basic customer service for people who are calling in to like order products and things like that. So you're really going to personalize that customer service experience for each caller. You're answering calls and confirming things like refunds, taking payments, placing orders, analyzing account data, helping them with promotions, additional products, adding things to their order, just all around anything that you could help them with based on ordering, billing, or their actual orders like packaging, tracking, things like that. They pay $15 an hour, and it does say you get a pay increase every 6 months. And they don't really list a lot of requirements as far as what you're gonna need. So I'm assuming a basic high school diploma or GED, somebody who has great communication skills, maybe a little bit of experience in customer service. They are looking for somebody who has their own computer though, running a Microsoft Windows system. And of course you've gotta have high-speed internet connection. They don't support Mac or Apple products at this time. So we have the Hershey Chocolate Company hiring someone to kind of supervise and manage the social media accounts, comments, making sure, verifying really, that comments get responded by the people that are supposed to be responding to them. Hershey has 2,100 reviews with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. Hershey is hiring a supervisor for their social media care department. Now, please note this position can support a remote candidate within the United States. It doesn't say that they have any state restrictions, but they are basically looking for a supervisor to manage the team of individuals that basically handle all things social media accounts. So you're going to make sure that these individuals are doing their job and responding to those social media accounts, just ensuring that all consumer comments on all of Hershey's social media platforms are responded to within their established service level. So you're basically scheduling these people that work for the social media department, making sure that there's someone to cover the social media comments at all times, so comments get responded to in a timely manner. You're just establishing and leading the engagement training of the social media team, supporting the team with best practices, any system issues that they have, or helping with those escalated or sensitive cases. And of course, you'll also be monitoring trends in the social media and consumer contacts, tracking feedback, tracking new products, tracking new topics, kind of taking all the feedback of all of the social media care representatives that you are supervising. And then of course, because you are a supervisor, you're probably also going to handle all things HR related to them as well. Now, Hershey is looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree. They prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree in like communications, PR, English, marketing, or other some kind of related field. But it does look like they'll take any bachelor degree as long as you have at least 2 years of professional experience handling some kind of social media engagement, customer service, customer care on the social media side. You're somebody who's a self-starter, you're independent, you're kind of like a problem solver, you're a strategic thinker, and you're friendly. You can have a friendly social media and pop culture like attitude. You can demonstrate creativity. And of course, you've got to be able to be proficient in social media engagement tools like Sprout, Hootsuite, things like that. Strong data management and reporting skills. And sadly, Hershey did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And of course, last but certainly not least, we have Sephora hiring. Sephora is well known. They are the retail store in beauty products. They have 11,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a fraud specialist. This job is remote eligible. And so they are really just looking for somebody to provide support to their risk and fraud team at Sephora corporate headquarters. Somebody who has like an investigative research type of mindset. You're analytical and you can think outside the box, because you are going to be running assigned investigative reporting and providing full investigative detail to the appropriate leader for fraud accounts, fraud alerts. So you are running social media investigations, providing in-depth reporting of activity of those social media to the subjects. You're reviewing different team processes, identifying efficiency opportunities. Where can things be done better? Do you have ideas? Can you improve the processes? So you're really just reviewing Sephora systems, providing analysis and reporting where losses could occur. So you're trying to prevent fraud before it happens by running reporting and basically analyzing the data. You'll run reporting on things like past credit card chargebacks, appeasements, returns, and other things, looking at that data, seeing where you can find the trends in the story, trying to find ways to prevent future risk and losses. So you might also have to work with government agencies from time to time when subpoenas are given to Sephora. Maybe somebody's credit card records, something is subpoenaed. Maybe they have went to court for a fraud alert, whatever. And so you are basically going to collect the requested data, reports, documentation, and make sure that you research and gather all that information for law enforcement when that is needed. Now, they only require 2 to 5 years of experience either in a call center, customer service environment, e-commerce, or banking industry. So if you have customer service experience and you know how to work with databases like SQL or data modeling, you have great communication skills, great attention to detail, and you can be flexible, work in a changing shift environment, work some weekends, holidays, evening shifts, things like that. So you're basically creative problem solver. This might be just for you. Pay for this position is very well, anywhere from $30.77 an hour up to $34.39 an hour. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.